Oh, I did not touch that. It just fell. Okay, great. It's actually like held together where I put the paint. Like it's where I didn't put the paint that it shattered. So maybe I should have painted the whole back and it would have been fine. You know? Durable. Sea Cooks and Paints. I mean, I guess at least I have easy access. You know? It's great. I can just reach in there. What paint color do you need? I got you. Poor baby.